Hi, today it's going to be a package day. It's a package from Jake 1973. I won his 100 subscribers giveaway. So yeah, thank you, man, for sending me this package. His the price was 100 US dollars, but yeah, I didn't want the money, so I want something like lock related, so locksport related. So we agree to pay for something. So I decided, it was my decision. I decided to go with the picks. So more or less I know what is inside is multi-pick locks and case, and hopefully I will pick this master lock, but that's later on. So let's start opening. I will, yeah, he has a very nice channel, and go check and subscribe to it. He is awesome picker, and his channel is very nice. So yes, go there, subscribe to it, check his channel if you did not subscribe already. Yeah, and man, thank you very much for agreeing to just not send the money, just yeah, send me, because I really want like something. So here it is. As you already know, I already pick with my go-to picks are multi-picks, especially the Forest Diamond. So this time this is the case and couple of picks. I went multi-pick. They already has like new 0.4 picks. That's like 0.016 I think inches, and yeah, and the standard ones like 0.6 millimeters, and that's a 0.024 I think inches. So sorry for not focusing or not showing the picks. So these are all the picks that I choose. So this is a deep hook. It's a, yeah, I'm always using these two, the Forest Diamond and this one. It's my go-to. And let me put it here. And these two, they are 0.6 millimeters. So this is like my backups now, and they are awesome picks. So made in Germany, engravings on the back. And I want to compare with my pick that I use every day. Let's see if there is a difference. Oh, really? Not even like slightly bent. The first one is mine with the yellow. So wow, that's amazing. And yeah, I'm using this one like every day, or yeah, I'm using like, it's my go-to, so I'm using every time. So it's like whole year, maybe more. I use it, so it's, and wow, this is the deep hook. It's did not bend like a little bit, so it's really, these picks, yeah, multi-picks are very nice. And all of this one, they are 0.4 millimeters. Let's go with the Forest Diamond. So, and here you can see 0.4. Come on, focus. It's a bit different. Let me show you. This part is different. They're thinner, of course. Oof, come on, focus. they are pretty nice. So this is the all, I think all the hooks 0.4 millimeters. So the forest diamond, I think this one is a deep hook, if camera focus somehow, and this one, they're like, maybe this is like a SSDF kit, I'm not sure, but they're pretty nice. So because of some of the weird keyways, you need like thin ones, and I got one. I'm a picker, not raker, but I wanted this one. It's a triple rake. I don't know the name of the pick of the rake, but I just wanted to try it, and this is 0.44 millimeters. So pretty awesome picks. And let me put it here. And because I already have like multi-pick Elite 11, I think, but I wanted only the picks, and I got the case. Wow, this is their leather case. It's pretty nice stitching and everything. It's genuine leather. So here's that multi-pick. I want to try this one. As you can imagine, I love multi-pick, so for me they are like the best. I tried different, I tried sparrows, I tried other ones, but like always I'm going back to multi-pick, and the deforest diamond from their side, it's amazing. For me, I'm opening like 95% of the logs with the deforest diamond. This is pretty nice case. Also, man, Jake 1973, man, thank you very much for this picks and case. This is amazing. Yeah, I know that you decided to go with $100, but yeah, it's a perfect giveaway in my opinion. So everyone can choose whatever they want, and yeah, really thank you guys. Check his channel, but I really want to try to see if the deforest diamond is the same. So let me try to pick this master lock. Here's the beading. It's a 4-pin key. Yeah, usually master locks are like pretty easy to pick, but this one is a boron carbide shackle. It was sent to me by Albert Lebel. So Albert, thank you very much for sending it to me. But let's try to pick it. The feeling of the pick is very nice. Nothing from 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, or something on 4, click on 4, nothing on 3, click on 2, I'm stuck on 1, or 1 is already set. So yeah, I don't think, there is no feedback on any of the pins. Maybe I overset something, so let me, I set 3 I think, and 4. I set I think 2, or overset 2, and 3, and it's open. Easy pick, and it's master lock, so yeah, you cannot expect anything more. Again, Jake, thank you very much for this awesome gift. So, and guys, please go check his channel, subscribe to it. So have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.